Welcome back guys to another video, and today I will show you how you can export your TaxBit data, because as you maybe saw it, unfortunately TaxBit is out of service, so you cannot use the service anymore longer. But we are here to help you, and we built a custom importer on CoinTracking.info so you can export your TaxBit CSV and easily upload it into CoinTracking. We also always recommend setting up your whole account from scratch, so use our API importer and the CSV importer to get everything in your account so it can be correctly imported. But if you have some older data in your TaxBit account which you can't access anymore, like from some exchanges which got compromised, then we need to download the old data and then import that into CoinTracking. So let's go ahead and try to do that together so you know exactly what to do if you want to export your data and import that into CoinTracking to do, for example, your portfolio tracking or the crypto taxes. We are now on the page of TaxBit where we logged into our account, and now we download the data. We can select the download transaction, the tax year, and then cancel if you want to. We download the whole transaction history by here, then it will load. It will take a little minute, and then we have that in our download folder already. All we have to do then now is to go to cointracking.info/import/taxbit. We also will link the link down in the description so you can directly go there. That's not the official link we have here in our tab, but we built that custom imported extra for you. Now we go to the CSV importer and choose the file. Once you chose the file, CSV export, then open it up. Now we can see our importer. Our data looks all correct and we can start importing. Once the data is correctly imported, CoinTracking will give you feedback by a big green check that the data is imported correctly into your account. To check our transactions in CoinTracking if they're successfully imported, simply click enter coins and then you will see all the transactions. Now we can see that we have over 200 pages of transactions in CoinTracking, and to refresh the data in CoinTracking we have to recalculate our trades. Once done, we also have to check our balance by exchange to make sure that the exchange balances are correctly moved from TaxBit into CoinTracking. Always compare the balances to the one actually on your exchange and on your wallet and not in the portfolio. Make sure that the correct balances are imported into CoinTracking. So compare the balances in CoinTracking to the ones actually on your wallet or exchange, and then you will see if the transactions are imported correctly. If not, once again, we recommend that you use our API importers to pull the correct data instead of exporting from TaxBit into CoinTracking. The balances look correct, and we can now proceed to our tax reporting page. So simply click tax report and then we will land on the tax report page. Here we can scroll down and then we can set the settings for our tax report. Which country, which method, which tax year, and then we have some more filters and options for your tax report. Once you filled out everything, then you scroll down and generate a new tax report. We have now generated our tax report, and we can see here our total capital gains. If you want to see deeper into the tax report, then you can click load report and then we'll see all the details about your tax report, how much capital gains you had, how much income you had, and so on. If you need to get more information, then you can scroll even further down and you will see all details about the tax report, about the capital gains, the income, the gift donation, the fee report, and much more. If you need to download your tax report, simply scroll up again, scroll a little bit down, and then you will see a big button with download tax report. You have the option to download the tax report as PDF or Excel file, and then you can submit it to your CPA or by yourself. We hope this video was useful to you, and now you know how to export your TaxBit data into CoinTracking so you get ready for tax season. But once again, we recommend using the APIs because then you will pull automatically all the data in your account and we can make sure that the data is correct. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and we will happily answer them. Also, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the other videos. We have a lot of tutorials how to export from different exchanges and wallets and import them into CoinTracking. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.